Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front offset mud flaps on a 2019 GMC Sierra. These flaps are made of a heavy-duty premium rubber and offer a stainless steel offset with beveled edges. And the best part? They're made right here in Canada. Let's get started. To start, install the required truck hardware finishing caps. A video tutorial for that installation can be found in the description below. Then remove the upper factory screw as shown. Next, with a 1/4 inch bit, drill through the innermost hole of the finishing cap and through the fabric liner. Then install our custom nut in between the finishing cap and the fabric liner as shown. Next, install our custom clip to the outside of the stainless steel offset. Install it in the second hole from the top and make sure the open edge faces outwards as shown. The tab of the clip will fit through the slot under the offset hole. Loosely secure it to the offset with a large nylon washer, stainless steel washer, and 1/4 inch bolt. This custom clip will slide in behind the plastic fender to secure the mud flap, allowing for a secure, durable, no-body drill fit. Now loosely install the flap to one of the outer finishing cap holes with a black stainless screw and washer. Then slide the custom clip attached to the offset in behind the plastic fender as shown. Then loosely secure the top offset hole and remaining outer hole with 2 black stainless screws and 2 washers. Then install the short stainless screw and washer into the innermost hole. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback offset mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.